For today's lesson, we will need worksheet 132. Please be sure your name is at the top. First, let's write the letter or letters that make each sound I say. Number 1, sh. Number 2, v. Number 3, g. Number 4, eh. Number 5, f. Number 6, h. Number 7, d. Number 8, p. Number 9, ng. Number 10, t. Now let's begin today's lesson. What are two kinds of digraphs? Good job. They're vowel digraphs and consonant digraphs. In the lesson before, we talked about consonant digraphs. Right now, we'll be talking about and reviewing all the vowel digraphs we've learned. What is a vowel digraph? Good job. It's two letters that come together to make one sound and are made up of vowels. A digraph that makes a vowel sound. Let's list the ones we know on the board. Can you name them with me? Digraphs EE, OO, AI, AY, OW, EA, UE, AU, AW, OA, EY, IE, EI, and EW. How do we code digraphs? Good job. We underline them. When we code our digraphs, be sure and read the words with me. Sheep, hook, tooth. Remember, this digraph can have the long sound or the short sound. Rain, hay, bow. EA has 3 different sounds that it can make. Let's look at all of them. Leaf, thread, stake, glue, faucet, straw, soap, pie and shield, receipt and veil, cashew and key. We've learned that some of these digraphs are dependable for their spelling of their sounds, while others are not. Which of these are regular for spelling? Good job. We have EE, OO, AY, or A, yeah, Y, OW, UE, AU, whoops, AW. In what position do we use, when does EE spell the E sound? Good job. In one-syllable words, we have EE. In what position do we use the digraphs A, Y, OW, and UE? When it's in the final position. AU and AW both spell the ah sound. When do we use the ah? In the initial and medial positions. When we have an AU, we use it in the initial and medial positions. When we use the AW, we will use that in the final position. If you ever read a book, or if you're spelling words with vowel digraphs, Remember these strategies and these pictures that we've gone over. Let's go ahead and practice spelling some vowel digraph words. Number 11, always. Number 12, each. Number 13, three. Number 14, soon. Number 15, no. Number 16, draw. Number 17, because. Number 18, blue. Now code the rest of the words on this page and be sure to draw a line from the correct word to the correct picture. On the back, please use the words in the box to help you write sentences over the whole page about the pictures.